Joe is a pal of mine and a kind of one-man band and record label and performer all wrapped up. This is a pink. And she does these story songs. Can you hold that? Yeah.
Yep.
She does these story songs, which are beyond charming, but you have to be careful because they do have a certain kind of bite.
Excellent.
Yeah. There she is, Joe. Hi. Hiya.
Excellent.
So do you have a song about evil drugs?
I have a few. In fact,
Okay, are you ready to go?
do you know, Moses, I had problem getting into the country 2 days
Seriously?
ago. Yeah, I was at the border for 2 hours, and it's happened the last 3 times I've come. And I tried to find out what it was, and the woman said they didn't know exactly, but it was an incident from 1997. And so I tried to remember, and I called a friend who I was on tour with, and we were crossing the border in the rock bus, and one of our roadies left his 2-foot bong in the back. To this day, it's on my record here.
You're being tracked, monitored.
And you know what?
Surveillance.
I feel cool.
All right. I'll throw a few more out, Jill, and you can start. Okay, I gotta get out of here.
Hi, guys. Hey, Jill. Hi, Dean. I'm going to start with a song that, by the way, I'm from Colorado, and we were marijuana pioneers, and I still vote Colorado, and we voted to legalize mushrooms in Denver. I know. So I'm fucked up right now, man. But thinking of that word, I'm going to do a song right now that 4 years ago got me a lot of hate mail in the States. And can I do it for you guys? And I'm going to start with the chorus so you guys will come around and sing with me. And it's really about the history of immigration in the United States. I'll start with the chorus, which I usually don't do, but you guys will learn it and sing it with me. When they say we want our America back, our America back, our America back. When they say we want our America back, well, what the fuck do they mean? Do you got it? Remember the Garden of Eden, before Eve hung out with that snake. You could walk down the street, not worry about thieves. All the kids could go trick-or-treating. Then those foreigners started coming in, like the Germans in 1790. Then the Irish arrived, the potato blight. Neighborhoods started changing. Life was better, we lived right. Life had a paler shade of white. When they say we want our America back, our America back. You know, the Americans sing this with me. When they say we want our America back, our America back, our America back. When they say we want our America back, well, what the fuck do they mean? You're so polite. Before there was Ellis Island, and that statue we got from the French. Well, that whore's still alerting with strangers she's flirting, inviting them into our beds. The guineas, the coolies, the wetbacks, the reds, the Jews, now those terrorists. And who let in the woman looks after my kids, and the one who is cleaning my mess. Life was better, life was clean. Send them all back, including me, when they say we want our America back, our America back, our America back. When they say we want our America back, well, what the fuck do they mean? And I was so happy to get into Canada. Before the gays had the agenda, before the slaves were free, before that man from Kenya, he took the presidency. When they say we want our America back, our America back, our America back. When they say we want our America back, well, what the fuck do they mean? Thank you. Well, I never liked pop much. It always made me feel like I looked like I had a hunchback, and I don't know why. But I'm so glad they're doing research and on mushrooms, because I always liked them. And I'm just going to tell a quick little story. This was 25 years ago of doing mushrooms. I was at my friend's party, and a bunch of people were doing mushrooms, and I decided I was going to spend the night at her house because I was high and I didn't want to drive. And I spent the night in her guest room, and I was there, and I turned on the TV, and there was a U2 video. Remember when there used to be the long-form videos? They were like 40 minutes, and I was never a U2 fan, but I thought, this is amazing. Where have I been my whole life with U2? And it was incredible. And so I finally got to sleep, and I woke up the next morning, and I smelled coffee, and I went out to the kitchen, and my friend was there, the host of the party, and she said, how was your night? And I said, great. And I go, you're not going to believe that I've just been converted. I'm going to buy nothing tomorrow but U2 stuff. I saw the most amazing video in the guest room. And she took me by the hand, took me to the guest room, and it was a poster. Anyway. Here's a song of when I did them in 9th grade, and we would go to the Battle of the Bands. This is a silly song, but here's a song about mushrooms. Like I said, I don't have any songs about pot. Me and Betty Shelley were at Cinnamon Park, waiting for the Battle of the Bands. Betty's older brother had a bad reputation in a waterbed in his van. He said, hey, Chili Sue, I got something for you, something that'll blow your mind. We walked into his van and we opened his hand. He said, it's only Mother Nature, only Mother Nature. Cinnamon Park in the cinema days. So freaked out, but in a really good way. Really good way, yeah, those were the days. I wish I could go back again. Billy had a talk box and a PV bass. Started feeling funny when they hit the stage. And Betty was getting so shit-faced, and I could not stop laughing. As it spun all around and I laid on the ground, I was amazed how the clouds just kept moving. And they played the same song and they played the chords wrong. Never heard it better, never heard it better. Cinnamon Park in the cinema days. So freaked out, but in a really good way. Really good way, yeah, those were the days. I wish I could go back again. Freak out section. I brought my pedal board. Betty's now in rehab and she's using again. Her brother's unemployed but with a brand new van. Billy came in second in the battle of the bands. Wish I could go back again. Cinnamon Park in the cinema days. So freaked out but in a really good way. Really good way, yeah, those were the days. I wish I could go back, wish I could go back. Cinnamon Park in the cinema days. So freaked out, but in a really good way, in a really good way, yeah, those were the days. I wish I could go back again. Thank you. I have one more, and this is from a new record of mine called Nostalgia Kills, and afterwards I'm going to sign, and I only brought 30 of them with me and a couple vinyls, so I'd get them. Also, I just don't want to take them back home. But, so I hadn't done mushrooms in a while, and then about a year and a half ago, I had just a horrible breakup, and I'm not a depressed person. I got really down, and I'd been reading about in respectable publications, microdosing and doing mushrooms, and I tried, and I don't know if that was it, but I did write a song on it, and this is on the new record. I lost my keys, I lost my heart, lost my car in the parking lot, lost my voice but can hear us sing from the island of lost things. I lost my phone, I lost my way, lost the hours of the day. Grandma's ring swirled down the drain to the island of lost things. Island of lost things. I lost my shirt, I lost my aim, lost the person I could blame. I wish I could recall their names, the island of lost things. My mom was not a hoarder, she threw everything away. My favorite toys, my 45s, shoebox full of Polaroids, plastic on the good couch, everything was clean. A vacuum bag of treasures in the island of lost things. I lost my wallet, my ID. Is someone else becoming me? My girlfriend somewhere on the seas to the island of lost things. I'd like to book a trip there, and maybe I could find, traipsing through the ruins, the dream I left behind. I'd put it in my pocket, and I'd clip its wings, so it could never fly again to the island of lost things. Lost my wallet, my ID. Did I do that one line? I lost my pop, I lost my fizz. Oh, the wonder that I miss. I miss the taste of your sweet kiss, the island of lost things. And if you ever go there, call me if you find what happened to my true love, the one I left behind. Is she underneath the palm tree, staring out to sea, spinning my old records on the island of lost things? I lost my keys, I lost my heart. I lost my car in the parking lot. I lost my voice but can hear sing to the island of lost things. Thank you all so much. Thank you, Moses, for having me.
That was lovely, Joe.
I'm glad to be in Canada. Save me.